Dealing with a cat that pees outside the litter box can be frustrating and stressful for any pet owner. Fortunately, there are effective steps you can take to stop this behavior and keep your home clean. Placing litter boxes in low-traffic, private areas can significantly improve your cat comfort and encourage proper use. Cats prefer quiet, secure spaces where they feel safe from noise, pets, or human activity. Choosing quiet spots helps reduce stress and anxiety, making it more likely that your cat will consistently use the litter box, rather than seeking out other areas of the home. Providing enough litter boxes is essential for encouraging your cat to use them consistently. A good rule is to have one box per cat, plus an extra, to prevent competition and territorial disputes. Having multiple boxes in different areas of your home ensures that your cat always has convenient access. This reduces the likelihood of accidents and promotes a more comfortable and stress-free environment. Cats are naturally clean creatures, and they prefer a tidy litter box. Scooping the box daily helps keep it fresh and inviting, encouraging your cat to use it consistently. Regular cleaning also reduces the chances of accidents outside the box. After scooping, use a hose to rinse out any stuck-on debris. Then scrub the box with a mild dish soap, followed by another rinse with the hose. You can either let the litter box dry in the sun or wipe it dry with paper towels. Maintaining a clean litter box supports your cat comfort and encourages good bathroom habits. Strongly scented litter may repel your cat, so using unscented cat litter helps keep the box inviting. This type of litter is a natural, non-toxic, additive-free, and 100% biodegradable alternative to mineral and silica litters. Designed with your cat comfort in mind, it features a gentle vegetable fiber texture preferred by many cats. This makes litter box time a more pleasant experience for both cats and owners. Rewarding your cat with treats or praise when it uses the litter box correctly can reinforce positive behavior. Positive reinforcement helps your cat associate the litter box with a pleasant experience, making it more likely to use it. If your cat continues to pee outside the litter box despite these efforts, take your cat to the vet for a checkup. Urinary tract infections, kidney disease, or diabetes can cause inappropriate urination. Treating underlying health issue is the first step toward correcting this behavior. By following these methods, you will help your cat feel comfortable and confident when using its litter box. Consistent habits help reduce accidents and support a calm home environment.